It was the 22nd of September, and we were anchored in the quiet bay of Torrent in Ibiza. The air was still, the water calm, and everything felt peaceful. We were about to set sail for Formentera. First though, we had to raise the anchor. Not the easiest thing when you're doing it manually, but it's a good workout. As we pulled it up, we noticed fish swimming around the boat, almost like they were keeping us company. Once the anchor was up, we started the engine and slowly made our way out of the bay.
We are going to Pujol. 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 Pujol.
The AIS showed us that the waters ahead were busy, so we had to stay focused, weaving through all the traffic. With the open water ahead, we decided to cast out our fishing line and let it roll behind the boat. And then it was time to hoist the sails. Then we were lucky. Our fishing reel clicked and we caught something. A mackerel maybe, or a bonito, we weren't quite sure, but it was a decent catch. As we approached Formentera, the sea got busier. Boats of all kinds surrounded us. Small motorboats, ferries, and even, massive super yachts. We navigated through the crowds, and just as we thought the day couldn't get better, we caught another fish. The anchorage was already packed when we arrived, but we managed to find a spot in the sand. With the boat settled, it was time for a swim. I had recently bought a snorkel mask that looks a bit funny, like Bane from the Dark Knight Batman movies, but it worked great. I felt a little silly at first, but once I was underwater, it didn't matter. The water was still warm and Greg jumped in too. It was a perfect way to cool off after the sail. And then it was time to prepare the fish, and when Finn saw the fish, he was so excited. Greg fired up the barbecue and even grilled some pineapple alongside the fish as the sun began to set.